It's lowering into the flying position now. And now it's time to enjoy your ride.
Woohoo! Yeah, let's go. So you can see us. I know. Yeah. I'm just too busy cringing at whatever Mike is saying.
Top Cat!
You know those rolls don't technically count as inversions.
I know you're my favorite part!
Yeah!
I love that!
Yeah! Mike loves that! Yeah! I love it too.
Oh, it's so good!
What'd you think, Jason? That's amazing.
That was so much better than I remember it.
Yeah, it's good in the front.
Jason, did you see what I did?
No.
My hand's wet.
His hand's wet. Oh, you touched the water?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
I love doing that.
You're crazy!
I didn't even know you could do that. Oh, yeah, that's a great ride. My favorite flying
This
coaster.
is my favorite flying coaster. This is my third one ever.
New favorite. It's his third ever.
Second B&M ever. That wing's still my second.
Oh, the anti-rollback thing is there? I didn't know that.